We'll guide you through how to restore and recover deleted apps on an Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason you want to do this, perhaps you accidentally or even purposefully went and deleted an app, so it's no longer on your device, and now you want to go and get it back. We're going to guide you through this step by step, so make sure this full guide, because at the end, it'll then be back on your device. And what you can do is go and browse the other apps as well, as perhaps there's more you want to do this with. We're going to be able to go and see a list, so make sure this full guide to know exactly what you need to go and do. Go and open up the Play Store, go and find it. It may just be on the homepage, or you may need to go and swipe up and go and find it. You can always go and search for it at the top, and let's go and open it up. Now, once you're here, you need to go and head to the top right, where you're going to have your profile icon. You can see mine there. Of course, yours will probably look different. This will go and open up the account page. But you want to come into this section, more from Google Play. There's quite a few different options here, but you're looking for the top one, manage apps and device. You can go and tap there. You see some different options here. What we need to do though is go to the top. There we can go and start managing the apps. So press manage and you'll go and see them here. Now, at the moment, this is set to apps on the device, which of course we don't want, as the app we're currently trying to get, we're trying to restore and recover it. So press this device and you can then press not installed. Now you're seeing the different apps you've installed from the Google Play Store which are not installed. In some cases though, these could be apps you got on different devices, but if you just have this device primarily, then most of these apps are going to be ones you had on this device and have now deleted. Go through here. You can try using a filter if you want for recently updated, or just go through and see if you can find the app you're looking for. You can filter for games at the top as well if you want to. Then when you go and see it, you can go and tap on it, and you can go and press install, and then you can go and get it again. And so we're restoring and recovering it back onto the device. That's it. When it's gone and finished, it will go and install. It's now installed, and we can come out of here, swipe up, and we can then swipe across and go and find it. Then you can go and tap and hold it and add it to your home if you want to.